Hi, rail fans. This is Texas Train Fan. And today's video, I will be doing a Union Pacific locomotive. This is a Paragon 2 series. Let's see. Directions, we don't need those. Let's take that out. I might have to be careful. These things are kind of expensive. I don't know. This was $150. I'm going to tell this locomotive I paid the difference for it. Yep. Alright, so here it is on the track. I remember doing that other locomotive that I did in the last video. But anyways, let's get this train running. We're going to test some sounds. I might need to move some stuff out the way a little bit. Yep, there it is. You can see some figures in there. I've picked this up in Pearland since 2024. Yep, November 16th, 2024. Yeah, I think it's gonna have to do something. And what I'm thinking is the locomotive has headlights on the front. And if you look here, I just gotta realize how this makes some sound. I'm gonna have to blow the horn with my Digitrax remote control. It's under the table. Look at that. Look at that. Yep, you see it says Union Pacific on the body of the train. Look at that. Yeah, would you look at that? Yep, there's the front side, there's ditch lights. Headlights on the front, there's the number. Everything has lights on, even a horn. That's the sound that it makes, obviously. And they're just constantly realize how these trains are extremely loud. And recently, these are first built. Especially, I can tell the locomotive has the fireman. I'm at the engineer and the switchman. Yep. These are very nice. I'm gonna shut that thing off now because this is it's about to be the end of this video. All right. Yep. I'm gonna unplug this now, and then I'm gonna put it back in the box after I end the video. Yep. So that was a very nice train, and let me know what what your favorite thing of this train is. What your favorite part was. But anyways, thanks again for watching, and be sure to click like and subscribe and leave some comments down below. And I will see you all in the next video. Texas Train Fan out.